Why? Yeti kroma kese ya politicize bibia. A teacher koka say yes, obegu abaye ni mase. Ube ma bain aye unpopular. Because what koka say school dying ye. Nti say ya ni ye peno. Say yentina oman mu na yenye din saa. Enioma nko ya me enka. Yenye din saa. Na ni ade na yeti oman mu. Nyina yemfi mu e. Nenka politicians non kwa. Na munya. We will continue to be citizens. We are head teacher na no pay a passionate appeal na me make it to you. Be proud. Jina nice we enko ya I've been a teacher before. We try the VR complex JSL the omo dine ye. E buy na Kenya ni anka ye be yi medimum. Crack demo America enko ya America. Kokono minim me yo omo cha no mo cha de wo kokono kokoshe. Akobo Jakari, they say Obegro Secondary School, are you 05 Wukrum? No, your teacher was support. Okoshe school Diana Akobo Chiradi was support. Na ya koka, yes, your teacher ni wakokanti, ya transfer. Ni assign the wakoshe baby to baby. Okwa utimuso wobekao and crane bero because ye punish you. Ona unim kasa koho, ekoka wanutum. Adenetisa. Why is it like that? Baby a school dine no crazy she onko treni o won ne nam hoi wa hwe enwura we mu akola chira de na ni bo teacher ni chira de na akola ni bokusie so pe speed okoti kusie be school compounder enkola etna esuade. And this 21st century sorry I see on my Ghana and development and I'm on beka kasake siachre yeah, the development enya kra happy. Enya kra happy. Umi enjaisa. With all due respect to authorities, Jaisa. District Director of Education, sir, someone with all due respect. Someone we say teacher niya bekasanti head teacher of a school wabekasanti ome pacho. Why? Ame pacho for what? Sir, wabekasase ohiyamwa. Ye gadani ye tumi akwa bua school no. Amo a befitting building. Now collect me at Namasuadia. Into District Director of Education. Or the umpire bani say we are District Director no. Who supervises school at TC. Who supervises school at TC as District Director. And you when you Anka woman now be call round. I solicited for funds. I can say, oh, Mesremo Ankra, ye Jumaku Buamio, District Director one yet. Head teacher Koya was be pacho. For what? Good morning, Midindia Sempa, Higher Dome 106.3 FM. The Uano segments. And I'll go so out here. Mekwa Humanso. Mobakia Islamic School, our Rara Oti region. Ya fatu ya Sunday. Ya beya ya beka wasem. Alhaji Umaru Gariba, a PTA chairman. Mamma ni chichen komo. Alhaji, what's the main some drink on? Alhaji Bibia Bokodi.
No, no, no,
Alhaji says